We're going on a Voyages Fantastique by our friends at Stamperia. Now this is an 8x8 paper pad, and you know that it's going to be full of things. You can tell from the front of it, it has a distinct steampunk vibe, and that's fun to see. As always, when we open this up, we're going to get something on the back of the cover, and that's really helpful. Now we'll go into the first sheet, and this is a cutout. And you can see that you're going to get 6 of them. On the back side, it's a little bit plainer, so you have your choice. Nothing goes to waste. So there's Bon Voyage, and on the back, again, an all-over pattern. We have a clock, which is very intrinsic in the steampunk. This is called a time machine, which makes it more interesting, an all-over pattern. And because this is about voyaging, you're going to get the maps, and very fun. You can see that this is Les Balloons, and then it's backwards there, so it's kind of like the world has flipped. And then the back of it is an all-over pattern. We have more images that you might want to use to cut out. Very fun. Safety, strength, and speed, all about cycling. And again, the background, very pretty. There's nothing like a dream to create the future. Isn't that gorgeous? And an all-over pattern. Now you can see all of these. There are 12 of these tags. Very fun, all collaged and ready for you. The back side, again, they're plainer as that other imagery was. And here we have some ledgers and some, looks like scientific notation, so very fun things there. The back side is a top view down. You don't usually see that on a map. And then we have Adventure is Waiting for Those Who Dare to Dream. Really pretty. And there's an all over, and then we've got tons of clocks and gears on this sheet, so that would be something to cut out. And I would imagine if you aren't interested in cutting out that many circles, that there's probably a cutting die that will match that shape. And then we have some beautiful text on the back of that, and an all over pattern. So all of those. Now, that's not the only thing to this collection. There are also die cuts, and the die cuts are on a heavyweight board. And there are, in this package, 37 of them. So just very fun. You can see I've got them all right here. And as I bring them in, you can just take a look. And you're going to get some words. You're also going to get different modes of transportation. Let me see, it's that one because that's a hot air balloon. Steampunk, it's titled Be Splendid and Choose Adventure. That's fun. So all kinds of imagery. And as you can see, just really gorgeous. I think the largest one is probably just a little over, right around 3 inches tall. And that's going to be of these also. So very, you know, I think steampunk never quite goes away. It's just always here in some version or another. And I'm happy to tell you that we have the die cuts, and we also have the Voyages Fantastiques paper pad.